Hi, this is Vishnu from Yogic Minds, and today I just want to talk about breathing. Normally many people, they always breathe through the chest while they practicing yoga, especially for the beginners. They feel a bit challenging to breathe the abdominal breathing or ujjayi breathing, and because they used all the time the chest breathing. So chest breathing normally we always use when we look at our childhood. We always use abdominal breathing. When you look any small child or small kids, you can always see their belly goes up and down, up and down. Only we use chest and shoulder breathing. So when we are childhood, we're using 100% lungs capacity. Now we're using only 20% of lungs capacity. So while we're practicing yoga, we always encourage people to breathe the full abdominal breathing or ujjayi breathing. So ujjayi breathing is we inhale through nostril, and while you exhale, feel the back of the throat with a sound like an ocean sound. So this is ujjayi breathing. And in yogic breathing, we always do through nostril. We never use mouth. Especially for the beginners, they always sometimes get confused. They breathe through mouth. And actually in yoga, we always use breathing through nostril. And to get tuned with that, it's a bit difficult to feel a little bit, and it's very easy. Once you pay attention to your stomach, and when you inhale, the chest will expand. So don't pay attention to your stomach. Whenever you inhale, only pay attention to your nostril, the tip of the nostril. Feel the sensation, the air is passing in and out, and pay attention only on the nostril. And keep your right hand on the belly and pay attention on your nostril and try to inhale. And you can feel your stomach is expanding, and pay attention only on the nostril and exhale. And you can feel very naturally the stomach goes down. So this is very easy techniques. Wherever is our attention, the energy flows there. Wherever is our mind, pay attention, the body function that way. The body is an amazing mechanism. Is the way we pay attention is completely change things. Even the breathing. So you can really notice that. You can try again. You can always keep the palms on your belly and pay attention to your nostril and inhale. And you can feel it's expanding, and while you exhale, you can feel it's contracting. So whenever you pay attention to your stomach, you can feel the chest will expand, the stomach goes in rather than is expanding. So you have to be always pay attention only on your nostril in the beginning stage. After a while, it's tuned, it's become a habit, the way you breathe, and it will be okay. It's become a very natural way of breathing. And only in the beginning stage, you can follow in that way. After few weeks of practice, then everything will be okay. Okay. So this is a very simple and easy technique to tune your breath, especially to do abdominal breathing, the yogic breathing. So try to breathe maximum as much as possible in your yoga practice, because the oxygen supply is very important to all the tissues and fibers and cells in our body to regenerate, to revitalize our entire organs. Without oxygen, it's not possible. So when you breathe, it's not only oxygen is passing, it's also the vital force energy is passing. The breath is the primary life force energy in our body. So breathe properly and practice properly. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yogic Minds. Namaste.